What's up, gamers? Today I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute chili dog. There's one issue though. I've never made one before.
Alright, the ingredients we're going to need today is obviously a hot dog, a small onion, a bun of your choice, some ketchup, and I have some leftover Wendy's chili. So I'm going to be making a chili dog instead of just a normal hot dog. I'm going to take this hot dog and wrap it like so, set it in the microwave just like this. Going to put that in for 1 minute. Now, while that's going, we're going to slice up this onion, get the skin off, pop the core out, then I'm going to just dice it up kind of loosely, not really fine, but that's just my preference. Set that aside. Gonna take a pan, put it on high heat, drop a little bit of butter in there that I scooped out with a spoon, and drop the bun in there, get it to soak up some of that butter, and let it heat up so I can toast it. Now while that's going, I'm going to throw this Wendy's probably not microwave safe chili object in the microwave. I'm gonna throw that in for 90 seconds, check how that's doing. All buttered up. It's been a little bit under like 20 seconds. We got some bubbles going on. Oh, look at the beautiful toast on the bun. Turn your stove off, slide the pan in the back, and the chili should be warm but not super warm. Now we're gonna start putting the toppings on the hot dog. Get some onions on there, a little drop of ketchup. Drop the beautifully made Viking hot dog on there. That's why it's so thick. Not really beautifully made because I made it in the microwave, but you know, hey. Take the butter spoon and drizzle some chili on the chili dog. Give her the good old taste test. I'll let my past self take care of this audio.
Yeah, that's good.
There you have it, a nice chili dog, hot dog. Put all your toppings underneath the hot dog so when you take it to your computer or somewhere else, nothing will fall out. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this with my drink of choice, chocolate milk.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. If you want to go the extra mile, a share or comment would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.